Today we're going to be working on Leetcode question number 98. Now validate binary search tree. So given the root of a binary tree, determine if it is a valid binary search tree. Okay, a valid binary search tree is the one which follows this thing that the left subtree of a node contains only nodes with keys less than the node key. The right subtree of a node contains only nodes with keys greater than the node's key. Both the left and the right subtrees must also be the binary search trees. So we're going to be doing it using iterative method. So our base case is going to be equal to, not even a base case, just like a base condition where if the root is null, we're going to say that okay, just return true. Then we're going to call a helper function with very similar thing, but we want our left and the right ones, or basically the minimum and the maximum as part of that function. So the function helper is taking the root and the minimum and the maximum. So over here the base condition is going to be if the root does not exist, if it is null, return true. Otherwise we want to check that we're going to compare our root with the minimum and the maximum. If the minimum is not equal to null and the root dot value is less than equal to minimum, or the other thing is that the max is not equal to null and the root dot value is greater than equal to our max. If any of that is correct, we're going to be returning false, because the root value shouldn't be minimum less than the minimum value, and the max should the root value shouldn't be greater than the max value. And then we're going to be calling our helper function iteratively. In order to do that, we're going to be just saying that return both like the helper with root dot left. When we are sending the left one, basically our max is going to change. So min is going to stay the same and the max is going to be equal to the current value. And we're going to send, once we're going to be sending it, and the other thing is we're going to be sending the right node. In that case our minimum is going to become the root value and the max is going to stay the same. Yep, that should do it. Yep, and this works.